Okay, so today I am on top of Haleakala at 10,000 feet, and I'm going to be doing the crater hike today. You can see the Big Island super good from here. But you can see Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. Look at that. Super cool. This is where I'm going, down in the crater. Should be an excellent day. It's supposed to be about 11.5 mile hike round trip. Looks amazing. Alright, it is 8:35 and I am just leaving the road, so we'll see how long it takes me to get back to the road after doing the loop. This is great. Super cool views. This crater is beautiful. Lots of different colors. We've got red, brown, black, blue sky. It's great. Yeah, this is awesome. So these guys here, they don't bloom very often, but when they do, they kind of go up like this. They look super cool. This one's dead. They only stayed bloomed for a little bit, and then they die pretty quickly afterwards. I'll keep an eye out, see if I can see any today that are bloomed. But so far I've just seen, they stay dormant like this for a long time, and then, when they do bloom, they go up and die pretty quick. Like 9:30 now, so I've been going about an hour. I've already dropped about 2,500 feet of elevation. It looks like I've probably done most of my downhill already. The bulk of it was going on that behind me, and it looks like it's kind of flat for a while. So. So there's a little loop here called Silversword Loop. I think it's supposed to be like a natural silverwood garden, so I'm gonna do it. Hopefully I can see one that's blooming. That'd be cool. Didn't see any bloomed ones. Oh, that was the full loop right there. So maybe I'll look one up, a picture of one, and put it in the video so you guys can see. buds here. Super cool. I just came up with a bunch of switchbacks up here. Looks like I've got a little more ways to go to the top of this. I am back. I'm done. It's noon, so it took about 3.5 hours for the whole thing, which is great. That was an awesome trail. If you're gonna be up here, that's definitely the trail to do. So you start up here, all the way down, come through that little loop, and then back here. So, done.